Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Volvo XC90 safely and effectively. First, gather essential safety equipment like gloves and eye protection. Always ensure both vehicles are completely turned off and in park or neutral before you begin. Position the assisting vehicle close enough so the jumper cables can easily reach both batteries. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe jump start. Now, let's connect the jumper cables. Take the red positive clamp and attach it firmly to the positive terminal of your dead Volvo XC90 battery. Next, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's live battery. Then, attach one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the assisting vehicle's live battery. This sequence is important for safety. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Volvo XC90 away from the battery. This provides a good ground. Now, start the engine of the assisting vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive some charge. After this period, try starting your Volvo XC90. Once your Volvo XC90 starts, it's time to disconnect the cables safely. First, remove the black negative clamp from your vehicle's metal surface. Then, disconnect the black negative clamp from the assisting vehicle's battery. Next, remove the red positive clamp from the assisting vehicle's battery. Finally, remove the red positive clamp from your Volvo XC90 battery. Drive for at least 20 minutes to recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.